Guys, this roll is printed on Epson L18050 with simple roll-to-roll attachment and just one software. You don't have to make any hardware changes. Uh, this is the first time we are launching this software Roll Sub Photo, which you can use for sublimation and the photo print. So you can see the length. I'm just trying to make a good video. I say thanks for it. So that's it. Let's quickly get onto the printer. So this is Epson L18050. The software currently we have tested it for 18050, 8050, 8180. So these all new models we have already tested it for. Now let's quickly start with the demo. You just have to first cut the paper in straight, like it has to be straight in 90 degrees. So how will you do that? You'll just fold it. You just bend it, match the side, थोड़ा सा press करो and just cut it with a scissor, or if you have the cutter you can cut it with the cutter. So let's come down to the software. So this is a new appearance of Roll Subli and now it is not request.dat file. It is not pirated. You have to activate it online. You have to have an internet connection to use this software. And all the updates, all the version updates, like say for example Roll 1, Roll 2. So Roll 1.1 to 1.9, all the updates will be free for everybody. So there will be two versions. One is lifetime, one shot, and one is subscription based. So let's discuss that afterwards. Let me quickly show you how to use this software. So we have the paper ready. Have you cut it already? Okay, you have the paper ready. थोड़ा इसको fold करो so that it goes straight, because it's a roll, so you just have to roll it. Okay, make sure if you insert it properly it will print straight, otherwise the printer it will move sideways. Now click on insert roll. You have selected the printer. Whenever you purchase the printer, we'll be sending you the links for the videos, how to install it, how to install the virtual printer. Now insert the roll. Once you click on it, the roll will be inserted inside the printer and it will stay. It is similar like Roll version 4. But this, make sure that this is not for DTF. This is specially for sublimation or photo print or any other prints if you want to take. So we have not now inserted the print roll inside. Now it's time to give the print. So I'm on CorelDRAW. You can print it through Photoshop also. You can print it through Word. You can print it through PDF, anything. So what I'll do, I'll just first print this image. The height of it, is 8 inch and I have the 7 inch roll, so I have made it 7 inch. So if you are using it on 18050, you can make it 12 inch. So alright, Ganapati Bappa Moria. So we'll print it. I will be using my own Ultra. Ultra is a virtual printer that we have created for the Roll. So we'll just hit on print from here. There are a few settings that I don't want to show you guys in the video. That's it, I have already done it. All right, so here, from here you have this. We have a custom size with a custom driver. So I have applied the settings and I'll hit on print. Once you hit it, you'll find that the file will appear here. If you want to print A4 size originals, you can untick this. Otherwise keep it ticked if your originals are more longer than A4 size. I'll just click here. I'll just print. There are a few myths and people, how people like they don't tell you the truth. So we have started now. So the quality settings, you can change the quality settings in your Epson drivers. and keep it saved, and printer will print with the saved settings only. Make sure that the nozzle test is clear before you start with the print. You generally do that. I'm just telling you these things. So now the first print is done. The paper has stopped. The paper is not moving. So the print nozzle test has to be very clear. So okay, this is done. Now I'll most of the people, they ask me for, like, I want to print 50-inch length 50-inch length print at once. So I have already made this file, so it will never crop the images. So you have this file and you can see the length. It is around 50-inch original, and it is 47-inch in total, the printable area. So we will print this now. I'll just hit on Control P. The printer is already selected, Ultra. You can name it Ultra, you can name it ZigRoll. I'll once you get the software license, we will be sending you all these videos how to set up the printer, and it's very easy. I'll hit on print. See, I always try to make a complete video without any breaks, pauses, so that you guys will be sure about the functionality. So I'm not stopped anywhere. It's ripping. The print is already inside the ZigRoll. Here you can see the pending. Just select it. If you want to increase the number of copies, you can increase it from here. Let's not make this video very lengthy. I'll just make one copy and I'll show you afterwards. I'll print 3 copies of this small file we printed. I'll just hit on print. It will take some time because the image is like 50-inch. So it might take 10, 15, 20 seconds. Don't know exactly how long it's gonna take, but 10-15 seconds is what I can say. It's printing. Once it says done, that means it is started. It has started. Okay, the paper didn't come out. I have made 0 modifications. Like, there is nothing that is from outside. Like, everything is genuine Epson. Just the inks, no doubt. Just the inks are sublimation here. So let it print. I'll tell you a few things about the Epson 18050 and 8050 series. See, the basic issue with these printers is, no, I can't say the issue, but people are selling softwares which has forward, reverse features. See, this printer has only one CR motor. Only one CR motor there. So please don't use reverse functionality unless and until you have hardware modifications on your printer. If you do that, your CR motor will burn. It might damage your print head also. So better not do that. At the end, I'll show you. It will not just print. It will stop after printing. So coming back to the software, this has 2 options. You can buy a multi PC license, you can buy single PC lifetime license, you can buy yearly subscription, and with yearly subscription you have all the updates for free, and you can ask questions and get the details about this software on our website dtgdtf.com, where you can get details for 18050 ZigRoll version 4. ZigRoll version 4 is simply for older printers like 130, 1800, 805. So soon the same software will be used like an all-rounder thing. So one software for all the versions. So this is basically not cut. It is there in the software. It is there in the image file. So we did it in the wrong way. We cropped it in the wrong way. So you can see other prints are coming fine. That's the reason I make uncut videos whenever I explain about functionalities that are not actually built in the printer. And yes, if you have some queries, like if you have some other printer on which you want to print roll to roll, you can always contact us. So now the printing is done, the paper has stopped. Let's make 4 copies of this. Okay, I'll just double tick, I'll make it 4. It's okay. The first image, it was small image, so I just hit on print. It says printing. It has started. So it will make 4 copies. So in front of you, I guess I have printed around 2-3 meters. And yes, I have tried it for 100 meters without any pause. Make sure to use a very good quality roll stand. You can even design your own roll stand with bearings and all. This is a Chinese roll stand which we use for DTF printers like this. So make a use of good roll stand so that these pickup rollers don't have to force or pull the paper desperately. They should be very smooth. So first copy, second copy, it will print third, it will print fourth, and it will stop. See, even we are thinking of adding reverse functionality in this, but just because we know that the CR motor modifications are not there, we are not developing that feature. So it's better actually not to use the reverse functionality even if the software has. What will happen? If you want to switch off the printer, or if you don't want to print the job, just cut it from here. It will hardly take this much amount of paper. It's hardly 1 rupees, or not even 1 rupees. It's hardly 30 paisa. So see, it has stopped. Let's add one more. Let's print the second design again. So you just keep printing. You don't have to wait. You can even add the similar kind of roll stand with a motor. Add in here so that you can simply unwind the roll. Rewind the roll. Okay, it has started. Done. It has started printing that original. You can even set the gaps between two. Like in 2 prints, if you want 1 mm gap, you can set it here. The gap, you can see this. You can see here you can set the gap also. So if you need only 1 mm gap, it will give you 1 mm gap only. Please make a note, this printer, this software will not repair your printer's features. Like if it has a bad CR motor, you have already used the printer with so many other softwares, you were using reverse functionality. So I'm not committing on that. We are doing it with untouched Epson printer. That's it. And this is right now, this is tested with 18050, 8050 and 8180, which is Epson ET8550. 85500. It's fully tested. You can even use it on 130, L110. So all the details, please go through the website instead of calling us or chatting us on WhatsApp. Better study about it. We have all the videos uploaded there. And whenever you buy it, you get all the instruction manuals, the PDF manuals, the installation files, the licensing process. Everything will be sending it on email. And this software has no distributors. We don't sell it to the resellers, not at all. So if you have the genuine license, we will be able to help you out with any queries of yours. and that's it. So you can see it's almost, wow, it's a good length we have already printed. बढ़िया है ना? So that's it from my end. Thank you once again. Prabodh this side from Creative, a brand, a name you can trust. Thank you.